Welcome back! In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Canva on your PC or laptop. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials. Canva is a powerful design tool for creating presentations, social media posts, thumbnails, logos, and much more. Installing the desktop app gives you faster access and a smoother experience than using it in a web browser. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to canva.com. Once you're on the website, click Login in the top right corner and sign in to your Canva account. After signing in, you'll be taken to your Canva dashboard. In the top right corner, click the Download the app button. Then, select Download Canva for Windows. When the download is complete, close your browser if you like. Then open File Explorer and go to your Downloads folder. Locate the Canva installer and double-click it to launch the installation. The installer will begin automatically. Wait a few moments while Canva installs on your computer. Once the installation is finished, the Canva desktop app will open. Click Login through browser. Confirm the sign-in request and then click Open Canva to complete the login process. You're now ready to start using Canva on your PC. For quicker access in the future, you can create a desktop shortcut or pin Canva to your task. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to leave a like. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.